This car shown here is an extremely special car, one of only 1,357 total examples produced for the 1996 model year. This car shown here is a 1996 Porsche 911 993 twin turbo coupe, also known as the Porsche 911 Turbo. This absolutely gorgeous concours level condition example is currently being offered for sale by us here at Luxport with just around 13,000 original miles on the odometer, and is shown here decked out with a number of unique options, including the aluminum shift knob and e-gear option, as well as 18-inch OEM hollow spoke turbo twist wheels and 100% all original rare midnight blue metallic paint, of which not many of those examples produced for 1996 were finished in. To top it all off, the tan leather interior on the inside of this car beautifully demonstrates everything, and you can easily see the hi-fi surround sound option that this car is also equipped with. This car is the perfect example of the last of the air-cooled Porsche 911 twin-turbo cars, and in this condition, it's simply one of a kind to find something like this with this amount of miles in this specification. Definitely a car that you might want to learn more about in person. Definitely check out the full listing for this 993 twin-turbo coupe on luxsport.com.